circles have tiny holes.
Yep. Why don't you put the Cheerio down and then turn that upside down? There you go.
It's not coming out.
I think you have to give it a squeeze. Ah! It went right through. Try it again. That's good. There you go. Will you wipe up your spill, please? Don't wipe the Cheerios. Alright, try again. I love you so much. Oh, what's that sauce?
It tastes like strawberry vanilla.
It tastes like strawberry vanilla.
Mm-hmm.
Would it blow your mind if I told you that sauce is just equal parts raisins and balsamic vinegar and then salted? Lots of salt.
Oh, can you take this part off?
Nope. Turn it upside down.
It's not working.
It is. You have to turn it upside down. Then gravity will pull it down. There you go. See it working?
Oh yeah, you did it right.
Yeah, you just have to turn it upside down. What do you think? How does it taste?
Good. Your gosh is made of bricks.
My house is made of bricks.
It's got the garage.
My garage, yeah, my garage is made of bricks. So is our house.
It's working. I'm eating them all.
Yep.
Oh, it smells so yummy, not spicy.
It's not spicy, but it's very fun to eat.
See, it's black.
It's black. It's the raisins and the vinegar make it black. Black vinegar, black raisins.
Raisins? What's raisins?
Raisins are dried up grapes.
Grapes? What's
Yep.
grapes?
What are grapes? Evie,
Yes.
what are grapes?
Can you tell me what the grapes are?
Can you tell me what grapes are?
Are you copying me?
No.
Are you joking?
Nope.
Are you kidding?
No, but I am laughing because of you. Because you because you crack me up. What even are grapes?
They come from some fruit. They're just like giant rolling balls.
They're rolling balls that grow. What do they grow? Where do they grow?
Just in there.
They grow on a grapevine. And then we pick them, and then we dry them, and they become raisins. And the raisins I chopped up in a blender. No.
Last night?
Nope. I chopped them up in a blender with the balsamic vinegar. And vinegar, balsamic vinegar, it's also made out of grapes. No sauce?
You're right. It works. Didn't taste good.
May I have one, please?
Mm-hmm.
Can you make it the best one?
It tastes saucy.
It's so saucy. It's sweet and
These are
sour.
Cheerios are from milk.
That's true. They're not for Daddy's sauce.
Just milk.
Yeah. We're not supposed to put this black sauce on there. We're supposed to put white milk on it. We're all mixed up. But you've really learned how to do it really well. You're doing a good job.
I love you, Dad.
I love you, Eve.
What's man watching?
Animaniacs.
Can I see it?
Yeah, are you all done?
Not yet.
Okay, you finish up.
It's just like a snake speed.
It's snake speed? Wait, are snakes fast or slow? Or are they both?
They're slow.
They're slow? Are you faster than a snake? How slow can you go?
Slow.
How slow? Show me.
Okay.
Hey, I have an idea. You only have... How many more do you have?
Just 16.
That's not 16. Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. Here we have some butter.
Butter.
So now, try doing it special. Get butter in the hole.
Like this.
And then put the sauce on it. Yeah, just like that. Get butter on that. And then put the sauce on it and tell me if you like it better. No, you have to take it off the butter. There you go. Will it be better? Will it be yummier with the butter on it? Is it better?
Mm-hmm.
Is it even yummier? I think you need more butter. Butter is so good. It makes everything a little better.
Done with my Cheerios.
Good job.
You can get some more.
No, that's enough. That's enough. You've had enough.